How to add languages to LinkedIn. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add languages to your LinkedIn profile. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, head over to the LinkedIn website. If you're not logged in already, sign in either with Google or with your LinkedIn credentials. Once you're signed in and on your LinkedIn homepage, look at the top right corner and click on your profile photo. A drop-down will appear from there. Select View Profile. This will take you straight to your profile page. Now, on your profile, look for the little pencil icon next to the profile language option. That pencil means you can edit. Click it, and then choose Add Language. Here, you'll be able to select the language you want to add. LinkedIn has a wide list, so you should be able to find whatever you need. Once you pick a language, LinkedIn will ask you to enter your first and last name along with your professional headline, all in the new language. Once you're done filling it in, click Create Profile. Finally, hit Done. And that's it, your new language profile is live. From here, people around the world can view your profile in their language, which really boosts accessibility and helps you connect with more global opportunities. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.